Alright, so what's up my YT homies? I'm going to go ahead and get into this video. I'm not going to do too much with this intro because the video you're going to see before this one or a couple of days before this one is pretty much my intro. Let me put it that way. This video was actually the video that I'm supposed to make, and I'm still making it, but I made that video about Super Saiyan first. And so anyway, if you hear that in the background, I hope that I don't have issues because of that music over there. But yeah, in this video I am going to unbox my last BoxyCharm boxylux box. This is the boxylux box, which is the deluxe box, and I say it's my last box because I am going to cancel my subscription. Now I'm going to open this box up. I haven't opened it yet, and I'm opening it up now. The reason I'm going to cancel my subscription is because I don't, let me see, how should I put it? It's a subscription box service, and I understand they send boxes to influencers that have larger channels. They send them boxes free for them to advertise to buy the box. But, and I don't know when they started sending them boxes, but when I first heard about BoxyCharm, I was not seeing influencers reviewing these boxes for getting these boxes and reviewing them free. I was not seeing that. I was subscribed to Ebates, and then I turned around and I found BoxyCharm. Ebates I knew had influencers working for them and making videos and all that kind of stuff. I didn't see that with BoxyCharm. So with that being said, I joined BoxyCharm. I stayed with them for about a year, and then I let it go. It might have been 9, 12 months, 10 months. I let it go. I got back with them, and I've been with them for quite some time. And you have ways that you earn points. You can get somebody to sign up with their email. You earn points. You can share your link on Facebook or something like that, and you earn points or what have you. But the point system is fine and it's okay. But I just don't like the fact that it takes so long, okay, of course, to build up points, but also the fact that I think, me myself personally, I think at least once a year, influencers that spend their money, that have a subscription, should at least be able to get one box free if you can send free boxes to influencers to persuade people to buy them. Now, does a person always, do they, I don't know how many sales they get based off of somebody sharing the box. I don't know. Is the box a good deal? Yes, it is a good deal. However, I just think that when someone buys into something, it should not take them so long to get something free, especially with all the subscription services there are nowadays. So with that being said, I'm going to share what's in this box. And just for you that don't know, and I've reviewed the boxes on my channel before. I don't review them all the time because everybody doesn't gravitate toward this type of video. But with that being said, this box has a theme of all access this month, and each box usually has a theme. So, and then you can find out how much each item is based off of the card on the back. This one is, like I said, the boxylux box, and it comes, this is something they started last year, in the last year I think, I don't know, I can't remember. But this one comes like 4 times a year, and it's a bigger box, and it costs like $50 something a month. The regular box is $21.99. So the first thing I pull out this one is the Violet Voss Essentials Pro Series eyeshadow palette. Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous, simply gorgeous. Oh my god, look at those colors. OMG, that is so pretty. These colors are so pretty. That's what I'm gonna miss. I'm gonna miss getting these nice palettes from them. Alright, and then the next thing I pull out is another palette. It is the Tarte High Performance Naturals Park Avenue Princess palette. Never heard of this palette. This bad baby is heavy too. Oh my gosh. This is, oh my god, look at this. That is so pretty. Oh my goodness, and look at the back. Oh my goodness, this is so freaking pretty. Inside the mirror says chiseled like a diamond. You probably can't see that. And then it has colors. These are contour colors and highlight colors, or bronzing colors and highlight colors. The next thing I pull out is a Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask, and this is by Dr. Brandt. This is what it is. Then I have, oh, Brightening Enzyme Water Cream by Sunday Riley. This is something for the face, of course. I know it is. Yeah. It's a cream. Hydrating hair balm. Now this is something that I cannot use. Leave-in conditioning balm that won't weigh hair down. So I guess I have to give this to my daughter. It says you want how to get, and it says dry, coarse, frizzy hair. So if I were still a loose natural, this would be something that I would definitely love, but I don't need that. And then something else that I don't need. And I redid the survey, so why I'm getting this, I don't understand. But I'm not even going to open it up because I see right here it says 35mm 1 1/4 inch clipless curling iron with cool tip. I can't do anything with this. And I've already given my daughter my flat irons and curlers, so I don't know what I'm going to do with that. The next thing is a Stila All Day Shimmer Liquid Lipstick. And Stila always usually has some good lipsticks that are in there. And the color is Patina Shimmer. Items that you get from BoxyCharm, to be totally honest, you know, you get your money's worth with the box. I just don't like their system. I think that we should be able to get points quicker or get a free box every now and again if you've been with the company a while. And then the last thing I got is a Hank & Henry Slick With It Long Wear Liquid Eyeliner. So here's a liquid eyeliner. And it looks like the color might be like a purple or something. So yeah, that's what I got in this box. And everything in this box I can definitely use, with the exception of the hair balm and the flat iron. So those are two items in the box that are something that they could have kept out of my box. So I'm gonna get ready to get out of here. I'm trying to open it. Oh no, it's not purple, it's just the color of the thing, the container, because the color is blickety black. Blickety black is what it says. So let's see. Oh, okay, I like that. Look at that line. So anyway, my battery is blinking, so before it goes out, because the other battery is on charge, so I know it won't be charged up before I finish this. So before it goes out on me, let me go ahead and wrap this thing up. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video across all your social media sites. And until the next time, you ladies be safe, and I will do what? Catch you on the flip side. Bye. I almost forgot my outro.